Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do have a little, you can't really see her, you want to stand up for a second? I have a little visitor. It's my daughter. She's promised me she's going to be quiet while I tape this. Anyway, so I'm going to do today's video on Ipsy versus Birchbox. These are my $10 subscriptions. I got this one last week. I got this one yesterday. I figured I'd go through these and compare them and see which one I like. I'm going to do a whole bunch of videos all in a row before we go on vacation. So anyway, I'm going to start with Birchbox because last time I did the Ipsy box. So this one I actually get for a little cheaper than $10 a box because I pay for a prepaid subscription. So I think it's like $7 a box. The theme of this box is thank you for helping us shape our story, celebrating 8 years of beauty discovery. So they've got all the little shapes. And then on the back they say discover or magic inside. Alright, and then when you go inside, they've got the little card and everything kind of haphazardly thrown in here. I've already gone through and played with most of this stuff. So anyway, this is We're Celebrating You. This month marks 8 years of Birchbox, and we couldn't have done it without our awesome customers, you. And then on the back, they talk about the full-size products. They just don't give you the breakdown of what the products cost. So, or per fluid ounce. One day I'm going to actually figure that out. I just haven't gotten around to it. So our first product here is a MAC product in Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. So this is supposed to be full-size, $24. Supposed to be clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines each lash. It's itty-bitty. Look how tiny this little tube is. The little wand takes up almost the entire thing. And it's one of those wands that remind me of like the Benefit wand. Anyway, it's adorable. I don't know how good it is. I've never used a MAC mascara, but I will probably take this on my vacation or maybe a different one and see from there. Alright, next product here is the Fill and Tame Brow Gel. I have like a little random stray thing on my finger here, if you see me kind of doing that. This is 0.13 fluid ounces. I've never heard of this. Butanio Beauty. I've never heard of this brand. It's a cute little thing here, as you can see. And it is in the color clear, if you can read that. I don't know if it'll focus enough for you to read it. This is what the wand looks like. And I already put some in here. It dries down kind of slow. It's a little tacky, but it does do a nice job of getting everything stuck in there. This product here is $12, which is not horrible for a full size. It's supposed to have aloe vera and it doesn't flake, and I can actually attest to that. I wore this the other day, the whole day, and it didn't flake. I will say though, I have an e.l.f. one that costs like $2 that honestly is just as good. So I'm not sure I would pay 12 bucks for it, but it is a nice product. Alright, next product here is the number 4 Jour d'Automne Smoothing Balm. And this in full size is $30. It's a styling cream. I put a little bit in my hair earlier. I had taped most of this video and then I got interrupted. And I have, for the life of me, cannot figure out how to pause on my nice camera. This is why half the time I'm on my cell phone camera, because it can pause on that. Anyway, this is like your typical styling balm. It's just a kind of a whitish thing. It smells very perfumey. That's the one thing I don't care for in this brand. But it goes on pretty nicely. And it does actually do a nice job with frizz. I just washed my hair a couple hours ago, and so it's still a little damp. Alright, final product in here, or actually I got 2 more products, sorry. This is the Melon and Goats Grapefruit Face Cleanser. Full size is $36. I had never heard of this brand until Birchbox, but it smells like grapefruit. It's just a clear gel here, so it's a decent size sample. This is 15 ml, so this could get me like a good couple washes out of it. So I'm not unhappy with that sample size. And then the final product here is Mellow Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Ipsy. Full size is $14. I've gotten one of these. I got their lipstick in my Ipsy that was like bright pink that I ended up liking, even though it was bright pink. This one is I'm going to show you guys here. It's just a brown. I'm not a huge brown fan of lip glosses or lipsticks or lip paints. I'm not a huge liquid matte lip paint, but this one's not bad. I'm just going to show you here as I put it on here. It dries down pretty good, and it doesn't make my lips feel like super dry or cracked. Like, it's not a horrible color. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It is like a good base color for like a lip gloss over it. But I do love the little size of the lipstick. Look how cute it is. So anyway, that is my box. What do you think of the color here? I didn't think it was a bad box for what it was. Do I love it? Did it wow me? Nah. But I don't hate it. Ooh, sorry, my daughter is just squeezing my... What did you just do? She's giving me that look. She just squeezed my makeup wipes. All my makeup wipe juice out. Please don't do that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Alright, second thing. Sorry, guys. This is my Ipsy. This is a super adorable bag. It has little eyelashes. It's in canvas, and then it's got kind of this like gold detailing, just kind of really on the front. And then it's got the Ipsy on the handle here. And then this is really cute on the inside. When you open it up, it has the rules were made to be broken, weren't they, kiddo? Oh, she said. And it's bright pink. Super cute bag. I do have a like cup that matches this. That is a FabFitFun cup. So maybe this, I can make it like a little pencil holder. Anyway, the theme on this one is the question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. So that's kind of fun. And then on the back, they give you their discounts. That's all they really say. They don't give a cost breakdown or anything like that. One day I'm going to actually do a cost breakdown on this. So the first item here is this brush. And this is, when I pulled it up on my phone, which unfortunately I don't have my phone in here, this was the Harlequin 110 brush, but I didn't realize it until I opened up the packaging. If you can see it, it says Luxie. So this is a Luxie brown brush. And I do like Luxie brushes. And this is a very interesting brush. It is a lot bigger than what the app was looking like. This is a good solid round brush, and I think it's supposed to be a shadow brush. They do have a few little stray hairs here. I don't know if you can see it. But other than that, it's real soft. I think it would work really good for blending in the eye area. So yeah, I'm actually excited about this. Oh yeah, here it says Luxie on there. So that's nice. I love getting brushes. You can never go wrong with brushes, and I love Luxie brushes. Alright, next product here is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. So we got a Smashbox product in our last BoxyCharm, and I did not care for mine. It wasn't a bad color. I actually was one of the few people that got like a decent color, and mine was like a cranberry, not even a cranberry, it was like a dark brick color, which doesn't work for me. But this is actually a pretty color. This is Babe Alert, and it's kind of a pinky color here, as you can see. Look at that. Ooh, that's pretty. So I am going to actually remove my other lipstick that I just put on, which actually feels really good on my lips. It's not super drying. The mellow one from the Ipsy. And we'll put on this Smashbox lippy, or lipstick, whatever. Alright. Oh, this color is definitely more my style. Applicator is kind of interesting. What's up, baby? That's more your color. She likes pink. Okay, so this is the applicator. It's kind of this interesting doe foot. I think I liked the other applicator better. It is definitely more drying. I don't know. I actually think the other color might have looked better on me. I don't know. Jury's out on this color. It's not bad. I'm not a big fan of matte liquid lipsticks. I think they age me. This one definitely feels drier, and I can see the cracks on my lips. So I actually liked the formula of the mellow one better. You can see on here, I think the mellow one wasn't quite as full coverage, but it was more moisturizing and filling. But that's the difference in the two colors. Not loving this one, but I do like the color, and with a lip gloss I might actually appreciate it a bit more. Alright, so this next one is Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten Palette. I love Winky Lux. I love their lip glosses. They're just awesome. So this I saw I was getting, and you can see I've debated getting this palette, the Mermaid Kitten palette, because it had some really pretty colors in it. And then they sent me this, which if I can ever get it open, they must know I love purple eyeshadow. If I can open it, there we go. Look at that, guys. It is the most beautiful shade of purple. And I have to say, that's just a single finger swatch. Look how pretty that color is. It is like this, got this blue pearlescence. It's such a pretty purple color. It just swipes so well. I'm going to have to figure out how to unpop this out of here and put this in my Z palette, but gosh, this is beautiful. I really, really, really like this color. This is a color I would buy on my own just because. So that is awesome, and it's in a brand I really like, and it is beautiful. So that is nice. So happy with that. All right, next product here is the Luna by Luna. And I have one of their eyeshadows that I really, really like. My daughter is being silly. She just put my eye mask on. This is, I don't know if I'm going to keep this yet or not, or if I'm going to let someone else have this. This is my daughter. Okay, Alice, can you sit down? Because I kind of have a love-hate with powders. I'm having issues with opening these. Anyway, this is what it looks like. This is a translucent powder in white sand, which makes sense because I am white as can be. And this is what the powder looks like. I'm not going to play with it just in case I want to give it to somebody, because I am not a huge fan of most translucent powders, but I do really like this brand, and it's not bad. I'm not a big fan of translucent powders. I have a few that I like, but most of them are drying, so I'm gonna debate on this one whether I give it away or not. And then the final item is the Eva NYC Satin Dream Leave-In Cream with CeraVe and Argan Oil. I love this brand. I actually have a hair mask that I use on my daughter's hair that just smells amazing. And this is the stuff here. Oh, it smells so good. And their products just leave your hair just so soft and everything. So you can see it on my arm there. I don't know why I swatched it. Anyway, this will be good. I'm going to let her use this on her hair because she gets that really, 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 really like messed up hair after swim. So I thought that would be a good product for her. All right, I cannot get over that. Oh God, look how beautiful that eyeshadow is. It's just so pretty, isn't it? I like it.
I don't see it.
That right there.
Oh, yeah.
See, come here, Alice. See how crazy her hair is? We need the, it's a Saturday morning. We have crazy hair morning. All right, so going over these two, which one was my favorite? Well, because of the purple eyeshadow, I have to say hands down, this was my favorite. Not that the Birchbox was bad, but this purple eyeshadow like just did it for me. It was beautiful. I like the color a little bit better on the liquid lip, but I actually think the brown one looked better on me. Surprised. I think the quality and the prices probably were a little bit higher on this, but I both think they were both excellent boxes. So no complaints here. Anyway, tell me which one you thought was a hit and which one you liked better. And as always, thanks you guys.